Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Before continue, please like, share, and subscribe and keep watching this video. Even with the potential to make gobs of horsepower and be a weapon on a track, the 2024 Toyota GR Supra is not a supercar. Instead, the Supra is classified as a sports car with a vast background in tuning or modifying to compete with supercars like Ferraris. Toyota has only made one supercar, the LFA, under their luxury brand Lexus. While the Toyota GR Supra costs around $53,000, a supercar like the Lexus LFA is upwards of $800,000. Although the Supra doesn't demand a massive price tag, the value you get from it is incredible. Of course, you are starting with the highly modifiable engine. With the same options as 2023, the 2024 model year Toyota GR Supra has two different engine options. Starting with the budget option, Toyota offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. The four-cylinder uses direct injection and a twin-scroll single turbocharger to produce max horsepower, 255 horsepower to 5,000 to 6,500 revolutions per minute and max 295 pound-feet of torque at 1,550 to 4,400 revolutions per minute. These power figures are solid, considering the GR Supra weighs just over 3,000 pounds. However, there are two significant mechanical drawbacks to the budget option. First, you lose the active rear sport differential and the adaptive variable sport suspension system. While these two things make a large difference in handling, they won't be as noticeable with the lower power figures. The second and most popular option for the GR Supra is the 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Harking back to the famous 2JZ engine in the previous generation, Toyota launched the new Supra with a similar, more developed engine. Pulling the drivetrain from their collaboration with BMW on the project, Toyota aimed to replicate the classic Supra experience. The six-cylinder engine is nearly identical to the four-cylinder in fuel injection, turbocharging, compression ratio and more. However, the extra cylinders bump power figures to an impressive max horsepower 382 horsepower at 5800–6,500 revolutions per minute and 368 pound-feet of torque at 1,800 to 5,000 revolutions per minute. This engine genuinely makes the Toyota GR Supra come alive. The GR Supra's available adaptive variable suspension, AVS, enables this car to transform from a comfortable cruiser to track bruiser and back again in the split of a second. Its wide stance helps it provide high-speed comfort and confidence-inspiring agility, while the available Brembo brakes are designed to give a firm and consistent braking force. It would be easy to write off the 2.0-liter engine, but it is a joyful engine when it comes to back-road high jinks rather than traffic light racing, and it adds better fuel economy to the equation. The super smooth and torque-laden straight six is the one, though, if you're hitting the freeway regularly or long back roads with sweeping bends as well as nice, tight corners. While the 8-speeder is an excellent automatic with quick, smooth changes, it's